What do YouTube? It's your boy Cap back at it again. Another day in a row. Today we're going to tackle the Timberwolves rebuild. So, as you know, we're going to get rid of contracts. And I'm just going to update you periodically to keep these videos short and sweet for you guys so you can watch the whole thing instead of seeing 30 minutes. Alright? Sound good to you? Sounds good to me. But, of course, you know, we're building around Towns, Wiggins, Levine, and where's my other dude? Chris Dunn. Love Chris Dunn. So I'll catch up with you in a minute. We're going to make this move first. We're sending Pekovic and Aldrich to Brooklyn for a Scola and Foy. Big cap. Opens up the cap quite a bit. So, that being said, I'll continue to make moves and update you. And another cap move, as Joe Harris isn't anybody, maybe we can pick up. No, I don't know. 1 second. I'll be able to pick up like a second round pick. Yep. Those are helpful in trades later on. Trust me on that one. Alright, so now we've made those moves. Belginsa, I don't know. I don't really need him. I don't think. Let me check. We don't need Gorgie, Jang, or Jordan Hill. Let's get rid of those two next. I might take that and just flip Lopez right away. We just don't need that right now. As you guys know, I love Neto though, man. Love him. Favorite player in 2K probably. So easy to play with. Gosh. Alright. So I think we're gonna make this move really quick. As we're gonna have a lot of years of Jang. Let's not make that move. Let's look for something better. What can we get for Jang? This takes more than 10 seconds, and I'll probably catch up with you when I make the move. Here, we can run through them quick. I just don't really want to trade him. Sometimes some of these trades the computer gives me makes me laugh. There we go. There's a first round pick. Let's go back to this. Dwayne Dedmon and a first rounder. Nice. Alright, I'll keep updating you as I move. Quick move. Roberson and Singler for Hill and Belginsa. And we're just going to flip Singler right now. Like, he's the next guy going. We'll kick Foy in with him. Alright, now expiring contracts. Probably do that one. Maybe I'll do that. Welcome to Team Mike Miller, and I think we're done doing moves. Like, I'm solid with this roster. I mean, Cat's gonna basically play the whole game. We're gonna develop him into a complete animal. Alright, well, I'll catch up with you at the end of the year. Here at the end of year 1, Westbrook is MVP, Ben Simmons Rookie of the Year, Brandon Knight 6th Man, Cat Defensive Player, and Most Improved, Tyrone Lynn Coach of the Year. Here's your all NBA teams. Cat is on your first team. And second team, nobody. Oh, defensive first team. Oh, of course he won. Don't see anybody. Chris Dunn. Hey, you know what? We had a successful first year, I think. So we're the 5 seed. But we're hot. So I'm taking this. Ooh, we were eliminated. We literally won the first 2 games and got swept out. You've got to be kidding me. I'm so sick of Cleveland winning. Alright, well, I'll catch you at free agency. As we're going through the free agent process, I'm just going to keep you guys along, probably update you here and there as we go throughout. Of course, we'll bring Adrian Payton back for a minimum deal. always sign these guys to as long as you can. These teams love guys who are under control for a long time. Alright, so I'm going to update you as we sign guys. Hopefully we can get a good power forward to go along with this team because we're real close. Forgot to update you. I did sign one guy. Where is he at? Oh, here he is. Terrence Jones. That's who I did sign. But, you know, I'm going to make a trade. Let's get a power forward. I'll just keep this rolling while I search for a good power forward. He's on the last year of his deal. They might go for that. We might try to go get him. See if we can pull Kristaps. We're just unloading picks. Oh, come on here. We'll send you Terrence Jones too. They're already over cap. Let's see. What else can we offer you? Oh, Tyus Jones. That's garbage. Well, I'll update you when I get a new power forward. Okay, so here's a quick update. We're gonna trade a first rounder over. Here, let's see if we can do this. Hey, let's try to do something slick like that. Jordan Clarkson, we'll send you Tyus. We'll send you. There we go. Look at that first pick. So now we got Clarkson, Dunn, Levine, Roberson, Wiggins, Nance, and Cat. Alright. Well, I'll catch you at the end of year 2. Alright, my bad. I missed, or actually clicked through the end of the year stuff, so I'm going to show it to you real quick. Here we go. Season awards. Oh, never mind. I didn't find it. Huh. Oh, here we go. MVP was LeBron. That's not for you. Rookie of the Year, Lonzo Ball. Goran Dragic, 6-man. Defensive Player of the Year, defending champ, Cat. Tyus, of course, goes to Most Improved. And there's your first team, Cat's on it, and there was no more Timberwolves. So, now we're gonna, where we at? We're the 5 seed. Again. There we go. Cleanly through. Here, now we're gonna go and edit the game plan as I did. Alright, here. This is how we're gonna go with it now. As it's time to take some dubs, and I think we have a good team. Alright. She's probably not good enough to beat Golden State yet, but just wait. Alright. Took 5 games to get it knocked out, but we'll simulate the rest of the... The Nuggets won? Are you serious? Jokic? Ooh, wow, that was a curveball. Holy crap. I'll catch you guys at the free agency. Here we are at the options screen. We're going to pick up everyone's option. Oh, no. Alright. Qualifying offers. Obviously, we're going to send it to Levine. Hopefully, we don't have to re-sign him. He'll just pick that up. Joe Harris. Sign. Alright. Let's see if we can get this rolling. Okay. You don't. We could use a point guard. Alright, we'll send him that. Alright. Isaiah Thomas took another offer. Back to the Celtics. Alright, so it's time to get a star. Where are the Lakers at? Alright. We're just gonna send them a ton of picks. Cause it's time. Oh, are you serious? Alright. I think they're kinda close to competing though, so we'll leave them alone. Alright. Let's see. We need a superstar that's cheap. Can we get Porzingis? Nope. Wait, do we have a shooting guard? Yeah. It's a good trade. Move him to power forward. Oh man. Someone will bite on these picks, I know it. I just know it. May have to throw in a guy on top of all of this. All these picks. Here, let's see if they'll take Larry Nance. Wait, he's only 5 better. No. Okay, there's no way the Sixers are ready to compete. But Ben Simmons isn't good enough to make it worth all that. Clarkson and all that for Butler. Wow. So let's look at last year's standings quick. Let's go to the Lakers since they clearly need picks. Let's try to get D'Angelo Russell. We'll send them Jordan Clarkson plus 2 picks. You know what? They aren't going to do it. Alright. So, back to free agency. Anyone we can pick up. Embiid, move him to a 4. Oh, man. Oh, wait, he doesn't move. Let's see, what else can we do? Julius Randle. Jabari Parker. Here, let's see if Cat can move. Good night. This team's gonna be deadly. Alright. We didn't end up with him though, so that was worthless. What do we need so I can go get it? Move Cat back. He's a 97 small forward. Holy crap, he's good. Need a backup center. Here, I'm going to simulate through and hopefully Levine picks up his qualifying offer. Quick update, he did accept the qualifying offer, so now we have a ton of cap room to get anything we need from a team who just isn't very good. So I'm going to update you. I'll catch you at the end of next season. Quick update, we did trade for D'Angelo Russell, making our point guard a little bit better, and now we traded a couple first rounders and Chris Dunn to get him. So that's the only move right now. What I'll update you is if there's any more. Here is the end of year 3. LeBron MVP. Randolph Patrick is your rookie of the year. Al Horford, 6-man. Anthony Davis is defensive player. Most improved Dante Exum, and Jason Kidd is coach of the year. Alright, so NBA first team. Cat again. Oh. Alright, there's all your teams. Here we go. See, we're a 3 seed. We're going to change the game plan. Make sure it fits what our team is playing like now. Okay. Now, we're playing the Clippers, so we're going to adjust theirs so we know for a fact we have the best setup against them, I guess. They played better on the road. Okay, protect the paint, the defensive focus. Okay, so we got that. Comparison. We have everything but field goal percentage. Okay. Hopefully we can win this one. Oh my gosh, of course. Alright, we tied 1-1. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. How are we down? There we go. Alright, let's check the game plan again. For the Clips. Oh, he needs another minute. Someone didn't. Alright. Looks like it's ready for the next game. Hopefully we can. There we go. Moved on. Okay. Now it's the Rockets. So we will look at their roster or game plan. 30. Oh wow. Oh, Adrian Payne's hot. Dang. No, that was the wrong. Okay. Larry Nance comes up for Adrian Payne. Slide him up a couple slots. Alright. Oh, we didn't even look at all the extra features to make sure we were set up right. Alright. Limit perimeter shots. Okay, we can delete the Clippers one now. This will probably be the longest clip of the video. So we are looking to get a dub. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You have... Adrian Payne is absolutely garbage. Okay. There we go. You know what? We're going with our boys. Straight up. Let's see what happens. Might as well. We're down 3-0. Nothing can hurt us. At this point, our guys are cold. They're not hot anymore. Where's the Rockets? We're deleting this. Alright, let's see what happens. Hey, look at that. We got a W. Yeah, I knew that was coming. Alright, well, you know what? At the end of year 3, only made second round. We had a freaking good team. Just how the way the cards fell this year, or this time. But I'll catch you again soon. Like and subscribe while you're here. And I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you got any comments for me. Thanks.